Santa Cruz. That is the mainland. Oldest human remains in North America, arguably, have been found on this island, 13,000 years. You'll hear the term ecological engineer a lot with certain species. The recent big one is the island script jay from Santa Cruz Island, and they move around acorns. They could potentially help speed up the process of the big trees being more widely spread on Santa Rosa because they're fairly isolated into specific areas right now. The coyote brush, so Baccharis. These seeds are wind dispersed. So this is typically in a restoration or environment that is just regenerating after a lot of pressure or fire. This is referred to as a nurse plant because it's one of the first to come back. And then it also acts with its broad branches, the way the leaves are shaped. It'll collect the fog and moisture. It waters the ground below it, so then other seeds have the opportunity to come up. This is a non-native grass that is spreading and has been spreading, and it forms thick, dense mats. The most likely way that it spreads out here is it gets mowed, and then the tractor goes and mows a different area.
All right. Call these islands of biotic activity, right? Functioning as that, as the first pioneer, the first species that's invading these grasslands. What do we see here going up that line and above that line? It's a grazing line, clearly, right? And so you've got all this same dynamic as what was occurring up there. You've got grasses and these emergent coyote brush. Remember way back in the first lecture we read the Aldo Leopold quote that, you know, working as a trained biologist or ecologist or forester, that, you know, walking through the world is like walking through a world of wounds that the untrained eye does not see, right? And this is kind of an example that if you're trained, if you know what you're looking at, oh, clear as a bell, right? Some pretty severe gully erosion. Up to a meter or more of topsoil completely removed. You're down to the regolith. Regolith, again, is that partially decomposed, partially weathered bedrock, and the gully erosion off the sides of the ridge lines. What's going to happen to the seeds on that soil surface? Definitely, they're going to get washed away. So that's, you know, something that really limits the pace at which this stuff recovers.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Caliche is a calcium hard pan. And, you know, you can see the calcium here. Somebody asked, is it pure calcium? And the answer is no. It's actually going to be full of just all kinds of stuff. And if you look in road cuts up in the highlands, all the fissures in the rocks are packed with this stuff. Bone white in those fissures. Yeah. I think there we go. That's a seed. And so what you want to do when you collect, you know, grab bunches of it.
And break it up.
I do break it up, yep.